Welcome back to CoinTalk USA. In this video, we will talk about Learn and Earn program of Binance, where you can earn free crypto by answering some questions. Let's start. Here you have to go first of all gift and campaign section. Here you can see Learn and Earn. You have to click here Learn and Earn and select here all and ongoing activities. Then you have to see these what is AVA, and I have completed this quiz, and I also here processing for the reward. And let's start. What are the questions and what is the answer? Let's start with the first question. What is the name of the upcoming smart contract based on AVA Smart Program? Answer is Open Loyalty Protocol. Second answer is how much extra can you save on travel bookings by paying in full with AVA on travela.com? Then answer is up to 3%. Next question, third question is how much in total can you save per travel booking with the AVA Smart Program? Up to 13%. Answer is. Then fourth question is which of these ecosystem functions allocates funds only if a proposal is passed? Then the community pool is answer. Next question is in addition to AVA, which of these other give back reward options can also be selected by some smart members? Here answer is BTC. Next question is what NFT unlocks the Smart Diamond membership? Travel Tiger NFT. Next question is how many travel products can be booked with AVA? And here is and answer is 3 million plus. And next and the last question is what are booking rewards called within the AVA Smart Program? And answer is give backs. After giving these all questions answer, you are rewarded by 0.520547 AVA token, and this is a logged for 150 days with APR 10%. Then it is the opportunity for earning free crypto by Learn and Earn program on Binance. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.